When you think about Euro NCAP, you probably think about crash tests. But safety doesn't start with an impact, and it doesn't end there. Safety starts when you get into your car. Safety is about your journey. That's why Euro NCAP is introducing a new way of rating cars, called the 4 stages of safety. Modern cars are packed with technology, but are they really helping you stay focused and in control? Euro NCAP wants to ensure you are the best driver you can possibly be. We evaluate the safety systems in your car that can detect when you are tired, distracted, or, in the worst case, unresponsive. That also means assessing how well technologies help you to navigate complex urban scenarios, respond in time to pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists, and feel confident that driving assistance systems are smooth, predictable, and easy to understand. Because technology should support you, not annoy you. We also want to make sure controls in the car are easy for you to reach and use. And this assessment doesn't just happen in the lab. We are now driving cars in real traffic conditions to monitor how these systems perform in everyday life and how well they communicate with you. Because safety begins with the person behind the wheel. What happens when you suddenly face an obstacle on your journey? Wouldn't you want your vehicle to help you? Autonomous emergency braking and lane support systems are designed to assist you when it matters most, helping you stay in control and avoid potential incidents. Euro NCAP is toughening our testing to better reflect real-world situations. The safest crash is still the one that never happens. But if a crash cannot be avoided, you should know that you and your loved ones are protected. Euro NCAP continues to assess how well vehicles protect you, whether you are driving, a passenger, a child or an adult, using the most advanced testing methods. We are broadening our assessments to better reflect different body physiques and types of crashes. We are strengthening frontal and side impact testing and will continue our consideration of vulnerable road users, because everyone deserves the highest level of protection, inside and outside the car. Safety doesn't stop at impact. What happens after a collision can make all the difference for you and your passengers. Euro NCAP assesses whether emergency services can be alerted automatically, and we ensure accurate information about your type of car is provided to rescuers. We expect door handles to open easily so you and others can be reached quickly. And we monitor the safety of high-voltage batteries in electric vehicles to help reduce any risk of fire. Our goal? To support first responders and provide you with critical help when it counts. The new 4 stages of safety make Euro NCAP ratings clearer, more transparent, and suited to the range of safety technologies that you are faced with in new cars. From prevention to protection to recovery, protecting you, your family, and those around you. Euro NCAP is driving a safer future for everyone.